I'm now gonna unbox this Rally Cat car. Here you see the back of the car. Of that says Hot Wheels. On the side, it says Rally Cat and a picture of a dead cat. On the paint, it's green with purple stuff on the doors. It's purple stripes on the top of the car. Its rims were color. Purple rims were the back tire rims were the purple ones, and the front tire rims were the gray ones. Here is the lights of Rally Cat, and here is the circular bits when Rally Cat goes off-road. Here on the bottom, here it says it's the name Rally Cat. It was made from Mattel, made in Messina. So it's a Hot Wheels car made in Messina. Here you see the front. There's the headlights. And the tail lights are yellow and the headlights are black. But very similar to Fast Feelings. And the color chassis is black and Fast Feelings is yellow. If you compare the difference between two cars, Fast Feelings might be a special one, but is different than the original ones. Here, you see Rally Cat's thing for going off-road. Here you have to protect Rally Cat from anything. Here's that bit where Rally Cat can go off-road. Rally Cat had 2 doors. A bit of a sunroof, but on this side. Bye.